Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're wrapping up season 1 and we're excited to share the best moments of our bikepacking adventure in Japan with you. We arrived in Japan by ferry with our bicycles from South Korea, and our bikepacking adventure kicked off in Fukuoka. Good morning from Fukuoka. We are all ready and packed up to hit the road again. We've had a lovely stay here. It's going to be a cloudy day today, but there shouldn't be any rain, so that's pretty perfect. We hit the road pedaling through a mix of quiet back roads and bustling city streets, where ancient traditions meet modern life. From winding coastal paths to lush forests and charming villages, the journey was absolutely incredible. It was all about that feeling of freedom on two wheels, discovering Japan's hidden gems, soaking in the culture, and catching those amazing views along the way. One of our highlights was bikepacking the Shimanami-Kaido, one of the most famous cycling routes in the world. The Shimanami-Kaido is a 70-kilometer cycling adventure that connects the main island of Japan, Honshu, to Shikoku Island, linking the islands of Japan in a breathtaking journey across the Seto Inland Sea. This route features 6 stunning bridges, each offering panoramic views of the sea, with its lush islands and sparkling blue waters. From Onomichi to Imabari, this is more than just a road. It's a journey through the heart of Japan's coastal beauty. Since we rode the Shimanami-Kaido in both directions, we decided to take a different route back. We brought our bicycles on the boat from Habu Port back to Imabari, enjoying a relaxing ferry ride with our bikes in tow. Here's all the bikes over here. We rented a small car, the Nissan Rooks, for a few days and explored Shikoku Island, visiting the famous Dogo Onsen, cruising the Shimanto River with its submersible bridges, and marveling at the incredible vine bridges in the beautiful Iya Valley. Let's go.
What's in the tunnel? Hello, here we are in Dogo, the upper side of Matsuyama. We have just driven here across the mountains from Imbari. This is where we're spending the night, up here in the Dogo Patio Hotel, which is just there on the corner. This here is the Dogo Public Onsen. One of 3 onsens in this little small space that we can choose to have an onsen tonight.
So we're here at the hotel and we're all just dressed up in our yukatas and go for an onsen across the road at the Dogo Onsen, the old one. is one of the submergible bridges on going across the Shimanto River. It has no rails, so at some point in time it goes over.
It's a pretty fast flowing river.
Yes, yeah. It'd be nice in a canoe. Houseboat. It's very clear. It's beautiful. We stopped for longer. Wow, this is really something. And that's the bridge. Staying in traditional Japanese accommodation gave us a chance to truly step into the local way of life and experience it firsthand, just like the locals do. It is just so beautiful. Have a look at my view. We have the whole house to ourselves. And this is the garden. A nice seating area to enjoy the garden. And then this is the bedroom in the middle of the house, the tatami room. It's air conditioned, so I mean that's pretty nice.
And we have a window seat. Did you tell them about the 4 flights of stairs we had to walk up?
Yes, steep stairs. Oh look, we have a room with a view, even though it's dark. But at least room with a view. The mattress is pretty thin, but see how we go with my European hips. Not bad.
Yeah.
Look. So this is our room. The tatami room. And have a look at the view. What I love about these tatami rooms is that they are so big. As for when you go to a hotel, standard hotel rooms in Japan are usually not very big. So we've just arrived at our hotel. And this is home for tonight. Oh, we have a bath. Exciting. It's not very big, it's deep. So this is home for tonight. Of course, no journey through Japan is complete without indulging in its incredible food. From a curry to fresh sushi, each meal was a celebration of flavor. Really yummy looking gyoza with some sauce. Throughout our bikepacking adventure, every stretch of the journey unveils breathtaking views of this beautiful island. From serene rivers, winding through rolling hills, or discovering picturesque villages nestled among vibrant green forests, Each step offers a unique glimpse into the beauty of Japan. Bikepacking takes us off the beaten path, offering freedom and adventure with every turn of the pedal. But on this trip, we also experienced something a little different. 2 overnight ferries and a scenic train ride, each adding a new layer of excitement to our journey. Our first overnight ferry marks the beginning of an adventure on the water. With our bikes safely secured, we settle in for the night as the boat cruises toward our new destination. After a peaceful night, the sun rises and it's time to disembark. The early morning light, fresh air and wide open road greets us as we hit the ground paddling. As our journey continues, we find ourselves boarding the Orange Ferry, a second overnight ferry from Seijo Port to Osaka. Another night on the water gives us time to recharge and appreciate the quiet beauty of the sea. Next, we switch gears and take a train ride on the Omni Railway, which offers a new perspective on the journey. What's special about this train is that it's one of the rare trains in Japan where you are allowed to bring your bicycle on board without having to pack it into a bag, which is usually required on most trains across the country. 2 ferries, 1 train ride and countless kilometers of cycling. This trip was a perfect blend of different experiences, each one adding its own magic to the journey. But it wasn't all smooth riding. Flat tires and challenges on the road put our perseverance to the test.
So we've only just done a couple of kilometres and I've got a flat tyre, rear tyre.
Good morning from the basement. We're just fixing up the flat tyre that we had yesterday afternoon. I couldn't be bothered last night at 6 o'clock. Here we go. Nearly got him. I didn't see that green colour. Must have blended in with the traffic. It's nearly roadkill.
So the lights were left on in the car overnight, I think. So we had flat battery this morning. But after a very long phone call, we arrived here very quickly in this little truck. As the sun sets on this unforgettable journey, one thing was clear. This adventure wasn't just about the road. It was about the memories we created, the people we met, and the beautiful culture we got to experience. Japan, you've stolen our hearts.